Hello, my people. So I'm back again. So I'll be telling you all you need to know about dog today. I know a lot of questions are going on right now. People want to know more about dog. What's the way forward? When is it dropping? When is it launching and all that? So I'll be sharing basic things you need to know about the airdrop and things you need to do so that you get airdropped. It's not everybody that actually gets involved with playing a particular this thing getting involved in a particular airdrop actually gets airdropped at the end due to they didn't follow certain rules. It has happened in so many projects. So first of all, when you go to the Telegram bot, you see that there is a checklist. You understand? You check if you're following those accounts on X and Telegram. That is one of the criteria. And secondly, you need to also check if your wallet is connected. I made a video on how to connect your wallet on Dog. That video is on my channel, so you can also check that out. In less than 30 seconds, you've connected that. So basically, Dog will be listed on a lot of exchange like BitGet, exchange like bybit on the 20th of August. And the beautiful thing there is that everybody didn't expect dog coming in so soon. You understand? Dog came in not quite long, and it came in with a very different concept. Instead of tapping or slashing or sliding, you just have to open it on your Telegram, and it calculates how long you've been on Telegram, and you are being allocated a particular amount of token. And after that, the check-in game started, where you check in daily, you go on tax, you end up from performing tax, and it was fun, and we were thinking it to actually continue for a very long time, and boom, they're here. Me, for example, I have a lot of I have high hopes on this particular project because of so many reasons. People are not have come out to actually support this project. And even Binance tweeted dogs this week. I know they didn't say anything particular, but when Binance come out to make such tweets on X, it actually says a lot. You understand? It means that this particular thing is the talk of town. Okay, so haven't connected your wallet, haven't followed those channels, you just have to be active on the Telegram channel. I feel that being on the Telegram channel is easy to see information than on X, because on X it could actually get go up and you go down with a new post coming in. But on Telegram, whenever you go, you can always go down to see everything that you need to see. So basically, I know other questions will come up. What price will a dog be launched on? This, that. There's no official price yet, but based on calculation, there will be a 10 billion supply based on calculation and based on some prediction. We're expected to see dog around 0.09, 0.09. You understand? Or 10 cents. You understand? We don't know yet, but hopefully that's where I'm actually predicting it to be at. You understand? And I'm also predicting that it will 62 dogs will be equal to $1. Okay, but that is not important right now. What's important is that you get airdrops. You understand? You get airdrops. So right now, even if you haven't been on the project, it's not late yet. The referral links are still working, so you can check my link on the description of this video and join. And the beautiful thing here is that it doesn't you don't need to tap, so you wouldn't feel that if you don't tap you won't get enough of the token. All you need to do is to click on the link, and it will calculate how long you've been on Telegram, and you'll be allocated your own portion of the token. Very easy, easy peasy. You understand? So it's something to reckon with. So you can check that on my description and see the link so that you can join this massive project, and we'll wait for it to be launched on different exchanges. At least when it get launched, you will see the official price, and from there we'll hope for the airdropping. So that is that on dog. I'll be bringing in more updates on that once I get that, and I'm making research day in day out to serve this community. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you get access and have access to my premium content. It's about profits right here, and it's very wonderful. So the word for today, you can already guess, is dog. DOGS, dogs. DOGS dog. Peace. I remain Crypto Dream. See you next time.